can't see the crack probably so much now, but I put a bunch of tape on the outside to make it easier to grasp all of the broken glass on the screen here. Again, this is the Samsung Galaxy S3. I see no need to get a new one since I've done this before and the phone works perfectly fine, just not with the lens the way it is, which is totally to be expected. So what I'm going to do here, that's not going to work. Something else here. And just start it up on the top corner. Work my way down. First of all, you should probably pull out the battery so you're not dealing with this kind of garbage. How dumb of me. Just pop it off the back. Voila. There we go. Okay. Try this again. Oh, it's the bottom. Gotta be careful. The very bottom, you'll have the little displays here that you see in the bottom of your camera. Well, your phone rather. Carefully remove that, like so. Just gonna set it over the side. Totally forgot about that. Work around the whole phone, just like so, and voila. You can probably see the broken part over the glass here. I don't know, maybe you can't. But anyways, yeah, it's broken. No matter how you cut it, slice it, and dice it. Okay, let's just stick that to the side here. Get that out of the way. Ooh, got a bunch of small little pieces here. Let's see. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm removing all this adhesive. Has been placed on here from the last time I've done this. Obviously I didn't learn the first time and did not buy myself a protective case, which I've done this time because I really don't want to do this again. So I'm just taking the big pieces off right now. And I just see with my fingernails. Let's see. See if I can get. Yep, I'm gonna do it. Voila. One big piece taken off at one time. Great. I got a piece right here. And a piece I never even took the backing off. That's funny. Anywho, now I'm gonna clean the rest of that glue off, and we'll proceed. Okay, well, I got just about all the adhesive off that was left over from the other tape, and I cleaned the lens here, or the inner screen, whatever you call that. What I'd used to get the adhesive off, though, was a little bit of lighter fluid, and kind of worked that with some Q-tips. Get, and it works, pretty good. A lot better than anything else I've been able to use. I'd have some goop, but I didn't want to use that. I mean, that stuff would work, but I think it is kind of harsh. So I decided to not do that. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and put on double-sided tape. This particular kit that I bought comes with a pre-cut version, as opposed to the other one that I got, which was a little roll of tape. I don't know, it was like 1/16 of an inch wide or something like that, and I had to work it around all the little components, and and the lights, the camera, the mic, and off and on and off button, and that jobby. That was a freaking hassle. So hopefully this goes on a lot easier. We'll see what happens. Anyways, it's back on there. Put the battery in. Let's power this bad boy up. Even has the Samsung logo on there. Voila. Anywho, trying to wait for it to connect to the Wi-Fi here in the office. I have to admit, these phones are slow during boot up, in my opinion. Okay, it is actually 64 degrees right now at 4:39. You are connected to the Wi-Fi. So there you have it. Short tutorial on me replacing the outer broken lens on the Samsung Galaxy S3. Other than the two little tabs, the one here on the bottom, that's pretty much the same thing you're going to be dealing with on most phones. The rest of the procedure. You can always buy these lenses on eBay. I picked this up for like $3, so. And that even came with a bunch of little tools and whatnot, which basically all those are useless unless changing electrical component inside, and it comes with these tinier star tools. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.